Hi, my loves. Welcome back. So, you guys know how much I love Dior. And I'm so excited to let you know, especially for my Aussie followers, guess what? The Dior online boutique has finally launched. So I thought in this video, let's do a bit of shopping together. Let's check out the online site together because the autumn winter collection has recently launched. And also in this video, I have had tons of requests to show you just a few of my tips and tricks because you guys know I love styling scarves as tops. So I thought I'll just show you a couple of really quick ways anyone can do because yeah, I just love doing it. Plus, you get a scarf and you get a top. So let's hop onto Dior.com and let's just go through it together. It's very casual and I'll sort of go through what catches my eye and what I'm looking to get. So I've just got my computer here. So what I'll do is I'll cut to my computer and sometimes cut back to me. But anyway, let's have a look online. Okay, so as you can see, they have women's, men's, kids and babies. For my fellow Aussies, this is an online exclusive. They even have Maison, which is their homewares collection. But let's start off with women's fashion and checking out the latest collection, which is the autumn winter collection. So I do know that this small Dior book tote is an online exclusive. And I do like leopard, but probably more in the traditional one. So this is another online exclusive as well. Even though it doesn't say that, I have been given the list, so letting you guys know. And I do really like this sort of canage puffer jacket as well. And oh, love these chill skirts. Let me just add it on to my wish list. I like that. Okay, let's keep scrolling through. Now I have to say the Caro is a bag that has completely grown on me. Like I love the traditional canage. I actually really like the medium size because originally it came in the large and then the small, and the medium is newer to their collection. So that really catches my attention. Okay, let's keep scrolling through. These are online exclusive too. So this one and this one. Cute little jumper. These two are the other exclusives as well. This pouch could be really cool to make it into convertible. Good price too, that one. And more velvet. What do we like? Oh, this in both the medium and the small are online exclusives as well, but I'm looking for the scarf and oh, that's very nice. So is that one. The pink. Let's see if they've got any other colors. And let's just keep going through. Okay, I do need to tell you, see this one here, this Lady Dior, my ABC Dior. I actually don't even own this size. One size I would love to own. So this size is in between the medium and the mini. So the ABC Dior is like the small. So this one in Yarrow Pink is an online exclusive. That I know for certain. So if you wanted that, you only can buy that online. I like that this is in enamel. And yeah, I just love this scarf. Huge floral fan. I just think the contrast is a little bit nicer than the pink. So let's add that to the wish list. There's so many great products. I love checking out new season things. So sneakers, and so that is the collection. I actually did quickly want to check out in women's. I do really like their earrings and I want something a little bit more classic. So fashion jewelry, let's have a look at their earrings. Okay, so you guys know I love their earrings and I really love their tribals, but they don't seem to suit me. But I really like the look of this. I saw this recently. This is also new. And let's add that to the cart because it just looks really, really nice. I mean, there's so many. I mean, this would work as well, but I just like the pearls in the CD. And look, you can go into women's and always have a look at heaps and heaps of things. Like one thing that I was showing you before in terms of the skirts, this is their classic style, which I absolutely love. So the new season one you can see is more tiered. I actually like this one better. So let's add that to the cart. And this one here is actually all sold out. So I'm going to remove this one. And I want to
talk to you guys about kids and babies. Now, if you guys are petite, I really recommend you checking Dior girls out because these go up to, as you can see, from size 3 to 13. And if you like a little dress or a top or something like that, if you're petite, I would say probably 5'3" and under, it would probably work. Like, for example, this could be really cute. And, you know, they have little tulle skirts, which could really, like this. I mean, it's elasticated, which is probably better because you can eat. But just for anyone you might want to share with your daughter. You know, these could work absolutely as well. You guys know, I always tell you guys to check out the kids section in terms of designer because look how cute this is. Absolutely, whether you're 8 or 5 or 12 or 40, you can wear it. Like, this is a very classic grey. And yeah, so check out the kids range because that's completely exclusive online. And can I just say that some of their tableware, look at these beautiful sort of botanical florals or even these sort of lily of the valley. Oh my goodness. You guys know how much I love all this, all the signature toile de jouy. So if you're looking for tableware or notebooks or anything, they have all of that there as well. Okay, so I've got my little wish list and let's go check out.
So I'm back, guys, and you're probably wondering, okay, that was very quick online shopping. How come you've got all the goodies from your cart? So I am so beyond excited to let you know that this video is actually in partnership with Dior. I'm just so, I don't even have the words. I'm so excited. So these pieces were kindly lent to me. So no, I don't get to keep them, but I'm so grateful that this is my first campaign with them, launching the new Australian online site. So of course I wanted to explore it with you guys and pick a few things. So they kindly sent me the things I picked so that I could show you. So of course, as you saw, I loved the look of this brand new Caro bag. This is in the medium size. I especially love the ruthenium hardware. I just love that. I don't know, it just gives a bit of edge to it. So this is actually in calf skin. If you look at the back, it's got the 30 Montaigne at the back. It's got the back pocket, which I love, which fits a bigger sized phone as well. Love these straps, which are actually detachable, and I love that it's got the leather shoulder strap here, which makes it very comfortable. You can actually remove this shoulder strap as well, and you know, you can hold it as a clutch, or you could buy a guitar strap from Dior, and that definitely casualizes it. So to open it up, it's just a twist lock, and you open it up like that. Inside, it's going to be kind of hard to see, but it's just one compartment. It's got one zipper pocket here and then another big pocket right here, which this just has the, you know, authenticity card and everything in there. So plenty of room. I just love that it's still classic with the canage, but it's just a modern take. And because the quilting is so soft and supple, as you can see, it's not like so boxy like the discontinued diorama. So it's similar sort of shape, comes in so many different colors. So I think I might need to get one. I don't know. I'm really tempted. Hubby actually loves this one. When he saw this, he was like,
I really like it.
so I'm so glad I have that here to show you. And also, of course, you guys know I love floral. I own several Dior scarves. So I picked this new floral. I'll put the name down here, but I will be showing you shortly 3 ways how I love to style my Dior scarves as tops. And I'm a huge fan of Dior scarves. So this one is 90 by 90 centimeters, but it works on their bigger Dior sort of shawls as well. I also own them. And of course, I had to pick their beautiful tulle skirt, which I picked the black one. And and it is just very classic Dior. Yes, it's a little bit more pricey, but it's just one of their styles that just make me feel so feminine and princessy. But this one is, I'm not sure if it's in their classic range, but they always have some form of chill skirt each season. The new one for autumn winter is just slightly different. They just tend to tweak it each season, but I wanted to try out their classic style, especially since, you know, I thought it would just go really well with the other pieces that I picked. And you know what? I had to pick these earrings, and again, I think I may have to even purchase them myself. They are just gorgeous. So you know how I tend to shy away from Dior tribals because they can, you know, make, I don't know, they just didn't suit my earlobes as much. But this one with the CD and pearls, at the back, it's got the, you know, bigger pearl, but it doesn't look as bulbous on my earlobe. It looks so classic, so dainty with the pearls. And I just think that the perfect droplet length, you know me, I love pearls as well. So loved that. And for those of you that follow me on Instagram, if you don't, this is my Instagram handle here, you would have seen me sort of in this Dior outfit already. Well, no, today it's a little bit cold, so I've actually just put a simple long black cardigan and styled it with my Dior belt, because that's one look I want to show you when, you know, I'm styling this silk scarf as a top. So right now I am going to take you through 3 ways in which you can style this Dior scarf. So the first way I want to show you to wear the 90 centimeter scarf is just as a sort of like a cow neck top, and this looks great with jeans, it looks great with skirts or pants, and basically you get 2 ends of the scarf and tie it behind your neck, tie it pretty tight, and then you will fold the scarf to the middle and then you just tie it around the back. Now, as you can see, I like to wear a black singlet. You don't have to if you are comfortable with showing all your back, but I just prefer a little bit more coverage. So whatever scarf you've got, if you've got a black singlet or white singlet, that completely works. So that is the very first way. The second way is what I like to call sort of like the halter crop. So again, super simple. You just tie it around your neck, but this time tie it a little bit higher.
Then you get the end of the scarf and pull it through, as you can see me doing here. And then you grab the ends and just roll, roll, roll. It's up to you how short you want to make it, but I just like this length here.
And then tie it around the back. And then this just acts like a short crop, but classy sort of halter neck top. Likewise, I would wear a singlet at the back because, you know, I don't like showing my back. But again, it looks gorgeous, completely backless as well. And then the third one is very similar to the second way. So same thing. All you do is untie the back so you can see it's loose now. And then this would work with a cardigan, this would work with a vest, this could even work with a jacket. What I've done is I've just untucked one end and then left the other end open and then just belted up. And that is how I achieved this look here. I just thought for this voluminous skirt, this sort of like cinches everything in and still highlights the scarf. And I always like to nip in the waist a bit, especially, you know, if I am not a natural hourglass. So that is 3 simple ways in which you can turn your Dior scarf into a top or just like a beautiful accessory. So I hope you like that short tutorial. I've actually even done, I love Dior mitzes. I own a lot of them, not just to dress up the handles of your bag. Like you could use it as a handle strap if you wanted on any of your Dior bags, or wrap it around. I often wrap it around my Lady Dior's as well. So actually I've also done a tutorial on how you can create a Dior headband using one of their mitzes. If you're interested in that, I'll leave that short tutorial. I think it's like 60 seconds here as well. So it's just so many fun ways. I love playing with accessories to dress up an outfit and then make it your own. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and coming online shopping with me. Yay to my fellow Aussies. We can now shop online. As you know, we're still in lockdown. Sydney's still in lockdown. So this is definitely some great news for us. And thank you so much to Dior for partnering with me for this video and lending me these beautiful, beautiful products. Let me know in the comments below while we were browsing, what's your favorite thing from the new Dior collection? Do comment and let me know. So thanks again for watching. Have a great day or night, guys, and I will catch you really soon in my next one. Bye.